The 2 Tyres Guide to the Michelin Road 6 GT. The Road 6 GT is a Road 6 but built with a stiffer, stronger carcass, so that it can handle the additional load of a heavyweight bike. It's an ideal fitment for a BMW K1600 or Yamaha FJR 1300 for example. The GT only comes in sizes for sports bikes or sports tourers, so you won't be able to fit into your adventure bike. There's no homologated fitment list for the GT, but generally speaking, if you don't ride a heavyweight tourer, the GT is not the best choice. Some riders think they'll get higher mileage if they fit this to a smaller bike, let's say a Tracer 900 or a VFR 800. But the reality is that these are heavy and stiff tires. On a lighter bike they won't have the feel or offer the grip and feedback you need. So while you might squeeze out a few more miles, you will be riding with less feel and confidence. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.